Hello friends, welcome to Global Travel Venture. Imagine a world without air travel. The places you can reach, the experiences you can have, and the people you can meet would be limited. In our modern, globalized world, the ability to hop on a plane and be halfway across the globe in a matter of hours is nothing short of a marvel. A marvel that has reshaped the way we live, work, and play. Air travel has made the world smaller, and in doing so, it's made it more accessible. It's opened doors to new cultures, allowing us to broaden our horizons and deepen our understanding of the world around us. It's given us the chance to marvel at landscapes that were once only seen in pictures. It's even transformed the way we do business, bringing companies and professionals closer together, fostering innovation and growth. The key to truly enjoying these opportunities? Comfortable and affordable air travel. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have the renowned Turkish Airlines. This Istanbul-based carrier is no stranger to accolades, consistently being recognized as one of the best in the business. But what makes their economy class truly stand out? Let's delve a little deeper. First and foremost, the Turkish Airlines economy class is all about space. The seating arrangement is designed with passenger comfort in mind. The seats are not only wide and comfortable, but the legroom is ample enough to stretch out during those long-haul flights. You're not just a passenger with Turkish Airlines, you're a guest, and they want to ensure you feel that way. Next, let's talk about the meals. We all know that airline food can be a bit of a hit or miss. But with Turkish Airlines, it's more than just a meal, it's an experience. They offer a variety of dishes, often inspired by Turkish and international cuisine. The food is fresh, the portions are generous, and the variety is impressive. They even cater to special dietary needs, ensuring every passenger enjoys a satisfying meal. And let's not forget about the in-flight entertainment. Long flights can be tedious, but Turkish Airlines ensures you're well entertained. There's a wide array of movies, TV shows, music, and even games to choose from. Whether you want to catch up on the latest Hollywood blockbuster, binge watch a new series, or listen to your favorite tunes, Turkish Airlines has got you covered. But what truly sets Turkish Airlines apart is its commitment to customer service. From the moment you step on board until the time you disembark, the crew goes above and beyond to ensure your journey is as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. They're courteous, professional, and always ready to assist. Turkish Airlines truly sets the bar high for economy class travel. It's not just about getting you from point A to point B. It's about making the journey as enjoyable as the destination itself. So, if you're planning your next adventure, why not consider flying with Turkish Airlines? You won't be disappointed. Coming in at number 4, we have none other than the Singapore Airlines. When it comes to economy class, Singapore Airlines is a game changer. They've taken the economy class experience and elevated it to a whole new level, setting the bar high for other airlines. One of the most celebrated aspects of Singapore Airlines economy class is the extra legroom. Even in economy, passengers are treated to spacious seating that allows them to stretch out and relax. It's a simple comfort, but one that makes a world of difference on long-haul flights. But that's not all. Singapore Airlines is renowned for its wide selection of food and drinks. Here, the in-flight meals are not an afterthought, but a highlight. You're not limited to a standard chicken or beef option. Instead, you have a plethora of choices from an international menu that caters to every palate. Whether you're in the mood for Western, Asian, or vegetarian cuisine, you're sure to find something that will satisfy your taste buds. And let's not forget about the service. Singapore Airlines cabin crew are friendly and attentive, always ready to assist you with a smile. They're known for their professionalism and dedication to customer satisfaction, ensuring that every passenger's experience is a positive one. From the moment you step on board to the moment you disembark, you're treated with respect and courtesy. The in-flight entertainment is also worth mentioning. With a wide array of movies, TV shows, music, and games, you'll never be bored. It's like having a personal entertainment center at your fingertips. But perhaps the most impressive thing about Singapore Airlines is their commitment to making economy class feel like something more. They prove that economy doesn't mean you have to compromise on comfort or service. It's about offering value, and Singapore Airlines delivers on that promise in spades. So, if you're looking for an airline that offers a premium economy class experience, look no further than Singapore Airlines. It's an airline that truly understands the needs of its passengers and goes above and beyond to meet them. Singapore Airlines proves that economy class doesn't mean compromising on comfort or service. Taking the middle spot at number 3, we have the Emirates Airlines. Now, when it comes to setting the bar high for economy class travel, Emirates Airlines is a name that frequently pops up, and for good reason. Let's start by talking about the seats, because let's face it, that's where you'll be spending most of your time. Emirates doesn't just offer a seat, they offer an experience. The seats in the economy class are designed with the passenger's comfort in mind. They recline just the right amount, ensuring you can rest and arrive refreshed. And the space? Oh, there's plenty. Say goodbye to elbowing your neighbor every time you reach for your drink. Now let's move on to the in-flight entertainment. Emirates believes that your journey should be as enjoyable as the destination, and they reflect this belief in their impressive selection of in-flight entertainment. From the latest blockbusters to music from around the world, and even live sports and news channels, all at your fingertips. It's like having your personal cinema and concert hall 30,000 feet in the sky. But what truly sets Emirates apart is their customer service. The cabin crew is there for you, ensuring your needs are met and your journey is comfortable. They serve multi-course meals, cater to dietary requirements, and even provide toys for the little ones. It's the small touches that make a big difference. And let's not forget the connectivity. With Emirates, staying connected to the digital world is not a luxury but a standard. They provide all passengers with free Wi-Fi, so you can share your sky-high experiences with your loved ones in real time. So if you're looking for a flight that doesn't compromise on comfort, entertainment, or service in economy class, Emirates Airlines is surely a strong contender. With Emirates, economy class feels like a step up. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have Qatar Airways. As we ascend into the realm of the truly extraordinary, we find ourselves in the welcoming embrace of Qatar Airways economy class. A journey with Qatar Airways is more than just a flight, it's an experience that begins the moment you step on board. Imagine a cabin designed with your comfort in mind, where every inch of space is thoughtfully allocated. The economy class interiors of Qatar Airways are spacious, giving you ample room to stretch your legs or even take a short walk. Even on a long-haul flight, you'll find yourself sinking into the comfortable seats with plenty of room to relax and unwind. Now let's talk about the meals. Qatar Airways takes the term airline food to a whole new level. They offer gourmet meals that are prepared with care and attention to detail. The menu is diverse, catering to various dietary requirements and preferences. From the freshest salads to the most succulent mains, every dish is a culinary delight. And don't forget the dessert, a sweet ending to a delightful meal. Whether you're a food connoisseur or just someone who appreciates a good meal, Qatar Airways' dining experience will leave you pleasantly surprised. But what truly sets Qatar Airways apart is its personalized service. The cabin crew is not only well-trained, but also genuinely passionate about making your journey as comfortable as possible. They are attentive to every detail, ensuring that your needs are met with a smile. From assisting you with your luggage to making sure your meal is served just the way you like it, the crew goes above and beyond to enhance your travel experience. In a world where air travel can often feel like a chore, Qatar Airways redefines what it means to fly economy. Their commitment to providing a comfortable, enjoyable flight experience is reflected in every aspect of their service. So if you're looking for an airline that combines comfort, gourmet dining, and personalized service, look no further than Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways redefines what it means to fly economy. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the best economy class airline in the world is, drumroll please, Japan Airlines. Japan Airlines, or JAL as it's commonly known, has been setting the bar high for economy class travel. This airline has consistently been a frontrunner in the aviation industry, and for good reason. Their dedication to passenger comfort and satisfaction is nothing short of impressive. One of the standout features of Japan Airlines economy class is its innovative seating design. JAL has reimagined economy seating with its sky-wider seats, which boast of being the industry's most spacious economy seats. With increased legroom, wider seats, and a generous recline, these seats are designed to maximize comfort on long-haul flights. It's as if they've taken a page from the luxury travel book and brought it into economy. But the experience doesn't stop at comfortable seating. Japan Airlines is also renowned for its in-flight meals. Imagine this, you're cruising at 35,000 feet, and you're served a meal that could rival a dish in a high-end restaurant. JAL collaborates with acclaimed chefs to create a menu that brings the exquisite flavors of Japan to the skies. From traditional Japanese meals to Western-style cuisine, their menu is a culinary delight that tantalizes not only your taste buds, but also your senses. And let's not overlook their top-notch service. The cabin crew of JAL is trained to provide impeccable service, ensuring that every passenger's needs are met. They are known for their attention to detail, their politeness, and their willingness to go above and beyond. It's this commitment to service that truly sets Japan Airlines apart. In the world of economy class travel, JAL has managed to create an experience that rivals that of premium classes. They've taken the conventional and made it extraordinary, proving that economy travel doesn't have to mean compromising on comfort or service. Japan Airlines takes the crown, making economy travel feel like a luxury. So there you have it, the world's top 5 economy class airlines. Now, let's overview airlines again. At number 5, we have an airline known for its exceptional service and warm hospitality, proving that economy travel can still have quality. Up next at number 4, an airline stands out with its extensive range of in-flight entertainment, turning long flights into fun-filled journeys. Coming in at number 3, an airline impresses with its delicious in-flight meals, offering a unique culinary experience. Our number 2 airline prioritizes passenger comfort with spacious legroom and ergonomic seating. And our number 1 pick, an airline known for its all-around excellent service, from friendly staff to top-notch entertainment, making economy feel like a class above. Remember, the journey matters just as much as the destination, so why not make it a memorable one with these top economy class airlines? Until next time, safe travels.